Whoever humbles himself will be exalted. Part 3. In our previous video, we told the story of Mr. Anthony, a school teacher for accountancy. What happened to him we discussed in the previous 2 videos. In continuation of the previous video, we continue the program, the story. A few days later, Danny, a fellow teacher, came to Anthony's house. Danny was a very cunning person and he had plotted to expel Anthony from school. He was seeking for an opportunity to find out fault with him. Here he had promised his cousin, a M.Com graduate, to get a chance at the same school. Danny found the better opportunity when he got news that the boy staying in the teacher's house. The teacher had given shelter to the boy. Danny wanted to report this news to the principal, as Anthony wanted to retaliate the principal for his harsh treatment to the boy who came late to the school. He wished to create a stunt between Anthony and the principal. He was the first to know how Anthony had accepted the assaulted boy and wanted to turn it around to it in his favor. The next day, Danny went to the headmaster's office and falsely accused Anthony conspiring to humiliate the school in retaliation for the punishment of a boy. The principal was angry. He summoned Anthony to his chamber. The principal instructed, "I have given you extra work to do in the office also, in your spare time after finishing the teaching period. Further, I have ordered to you to come to office during holidays and finish all pending works. Get your revised office order. If you do not accept this office order, I will recommend higher authorities to transfer you to another school." The principal also said that disciplinary action will be taken against you. Anthony, the teacher, agreed to do all the extra work with no hesitation. According to the instruction of the principal, he came to the office and did all the pending work and typing work, including his teaching work. He came to the office even during the holidays and did all the pending works, such as preparing the Provident Fund accounts of 75 teachers for 10 years, so that all teachers received the report for their proper account balance. Many teachers expressed their appreciation and delight at that thought that the teacher had worked so hard and forwarded the final accounts report perfectly to the higher authorities. Over 70 teachers benefited from Anthony's completion of their account details, and they got advance amount from their savings account to use the money for their construction of their own building. The boy who had best care by Anthony became the state first student in 12th grade final examination, and he also raised the teacher's name in higher level. We will see 4th video in continuation of this.